Right, back at home, now onwards, outside I have found this pretty cool fidget spinner. Fidget spinner over here. Pretty cool fidget spinner. Okay, so what you got now, Mr. Fidget Spinner? You spin! Correct! Oh my god! You do it! I like it when you just spin and fly around! That was amazing! The fidget spinner is going crazy! Oh my god! That was amazing now, Mr. Fidget Spinner. We can have fun! Let's go outside and have fun now, let's go! Get ready, Mr. Fidget Spinner. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ha! Oh my god! Where did he go? Uh-oh! There he is! That was cool. You actually doing like a boomerang. Oh my god, what's going on with you? Ah!